just a quick installation video on coil spring isolator. I'm going to be replacing the coil spring isolator on this Mark IV GTI with this energy suspension coil spring isolator. This is 15.6104R coil spring isolators. I'll put a link on that. It's from Amazon. Basically, I'm going to be replacing the OEM coil spring isolators with new energy suspension coil spring polyurethane isolator. Pretty easy. Just gonna go on the side where the strut connects to the sway bar and loosen it. And in this case, this is a 17. So I'm just gonna remove the whole thing. Drop it down, and then the spring should be able to just come out. Take that, you're gonna remove the top, put this one on, and then you're gonna slide it on. Both wheels have to be up so that the axle beam will go down. And let's see what we got here. And then just put it back. Now it's installed. Let me see if I can show you guys a good video of what it looks like right there. And then now I'm just gonna put everything back together. I mean, it's a super easy thing. Now I'm just gonna put back the bolt. There we go. I'm going to use my breaker bar as a hammer, and then I'm just going to make it go through the other side. There you go. Put the nut back on the other side. The other side was a lot easier than this one. That's it. It took about 3 minutes and 34 seconds with a little bit of what do you call it? Hassle. Can't find the word right now. New coil spring isolator on the ECS street coilover, and this is a AGX 8-way adjustable